Assalamu alaikum boys and girls. Today from Butterfly English Book 1 we are going to do reading और आप मेरे साथ repeat करेंगे. Please listen carefully. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Repeat. दोहराइए मेरे साथ. Sheep, sheep. Goes, goes, goes. Repeat. Goes, goes. Two, two, two. Repeat. Two, two. Very good, children. Owl, 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 owl. And, 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 and. Says, 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 says. Play with me, play with me, play with me. Repeat. Play with me, play with me. पूरा सेंटेंस अब दोबारा करते हैं. Sheep goes to owl and says, play with me. Sheep goes to owl and says, play with me. Owl replies, owl replies, owl replies. Repeat. Owl replies, owl replies. I am folding, I am folding, I am folding. Repeat कीजिए. I am folding, I am folding. A bed sheet, a bed sheet, a bed sheet. पूरा पढ़ते हैं. Owl replies, I am folding a bed sheet. I have to tidy up. I have. दोबारा. I have. Two. ये तो पढ़ा था हमने. Two. Very good. Tidy up, tidy up, tidy up. Repeat करें. Tidy up. Good. Tidy up. I cannot, I cannot, I cannot. Repeat. I cannot, I cannot. Play, play, play. Repeat. Play, play. Very good. With you, with you, with you. Repeat. With you. पूरा सेंटेंस करते हैं. Owl replies, I am folding a bed sheet. I have to tidy up. I cannot play with you. अब इस स्टोरी में से अभी जो हमने पढ़ा है रीडिंग, आपको मैं टास्क देती हूँ। आपने अपनी कॉपी बुक्स में 3 वर्ड्स लेने हैं, 3 वर्ड्स कोई से भी जो भी हमने पढ़े हैं, और उनको 5 दफ़ा अपनी कॉपी बुक्स में राइट डाउन करना है। कोई से भी 3 अल्फाज राइट डाउन कॉपी बुक्स। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।